So for today's look, I'm going to be doing a halo eye, and I'm going to be doing a colorful halo eye with my 35B palette today. So if you guys have this palette, break it out. If you guys have a similar palette to it, break that out as well, and let's start playing in some colors. I'm going to be doing a green halo eye, I think, today. So yeah, let's just get on to this look. So first I'm just going to go in, and I'm gonna go in with this dark green shade and a Kylie brush. I'm gonna do like a green and yellow kind of look. I'm gonna go in with a Morphe M562 brush and going with that green. I need to get another one of these brushes. This is really good. So I'm gonna go in with the yellow shade right here, and I'm just going to buff that right above. I might add a little bit more actually. Add a little bit more with my M506 brush. So now I'm gonna go back in with the M562 brush and the yellow. Green, and I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of a lighter green just to help blend those two. So I'm going to go in with the Stila mini set of the Shimmer and Glow eye glitters, and I am just using the shade Kitten. Take a liner brush. I'm going to take a little bit of glitter. I'm going to take a little bit of this yellow glitter. I'm going to stack that right on top. So then I'm going to go back in with the green shades. I'm going to go in with the light green. Okay, so now that we have that down, I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so the other side is done, and I'm going to quickly do the bottom lash line. I already have concealer on, so we're all good with that. And I'm just going to take my M562 brush. I don't know it by heart just yet, but I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna first do that on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with that yellow shade. I'm going to dust that on a little bit lower than the green. We're really smoking out this lower lash line today. So I'm going to go in with my Killer Queen Cosmetics pigment stack, and I'm going to go in with this neon yellow shade, and I'm going to place that directly on my waterline. First I'm going to take a little bit of concealer just to have something to stick to. Okay, so now that I have that on my waterline, I'm going to go in with mascara and lashes. So for today's lashes, I'm going to be going in with the brand Get It Beauty and in the style Sinner. And these are what they look like. This is from their Dangerous collection. Now I don't know if these lashes are still up for sale, but I do know they have tons of other lashes if you guys do want to check them out. I do have a coupon code if you guys want to use it. It's just tobinmua, and you can purchase anything on the website and just use my coupon code and you guys save some money. Who doesn't love saving money? I absolutely love saving money and using coupon codes. I always am using coupon codes. So if you guys want to use mine, there you go. It's just tobinmua. So I'm gonna pop these lashes on real fast and I'll be right back. Okay, so lashes are on. I popped in my contacts. I wanted to throw in my contacts because I thought they'd look nice with this look, and they do. So now on to the rest of the face. So for bronzer, I'm going to be going in with my bronzer from Gerard Cosmetics. It's this one. This is the Forever bronzer. So you guys know I love this bronzer, so. So I'm going to be going in with my lip pencil in Everything Nice. This is from Gerard Cosmetics. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Milani liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Adorable. Then I'm going to go back in with my lip pencil. So next I'm going to be going in with my Butter Gloss from NYX in the shade Fortune Cookie. So next I'm going to be going in with my Gerard Cosmetics setting spray in the scent Watermelon. And then the last step I'm going to be doing is highlighter, and this is the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter. So once you are done with that, you are finished with the look, and this is the final halo green smoky look.